Hi class, welcome to week 6. This is our final week on project communications management, and we'll be looking at controlling project communications this week. This is a little different than what we've worked on before, where we were planning how to manage our communications, how we were managing communications. Now we want to make sure that we're controlling the communications and that our communications are actually being effective and doing what we thought they should be doing. If they're not, then we need to make some adjustments and change our project communications management plan, deal with our stakeholders a little differently, and so that's what we're going to look at this week. We're going to evaluate some tools that we use in project communications to monitor and control our communications, understand how that we need to manage the project changes that come in, and the updates to our project management plan, the risk management plan, and all those plans that we have, and then how to communicate the certain issues that might come up in our project and how those issues impact all of our stakeholders. So that's what we're going to look at this week. Of course, we had our Fuse meeting tonight, and I appreciate those who could attend. And then I want you to take a look at the 2 readings I have posted out there. They're both information technology projects, but I think they're relevant to most any project and on how to report status of a project. Then you want to look at chapter section 10.3 of the PMBOK on monitoring communications. And then, of course, we do have our discussion this week that relates to how do we know if our project communications system is working correctly and how we can improve that. So our assignment this week is a little different. We're actually going to look at Microsoft Project this week. Instead of doing a writing assignment, we have a hands-on lab, and that, like I said, is done in Microsoft Project. And so we want to take the course project that we have been working on. We'll look at the case problem part number 2. Get there, and you'll still be working with the same project, but this time, or this case problem, but you're going to put this into a Microsoft project and develop a simple work breakdown structure for this project, showing the project, the phases, and the tasks that belong to this project, and the resources that are assigned to this project. All the information is given to you here. You just have to extract the relevant information to put into your project file. Okay, let's go back to our module here. Now, I do want to mention that this assignment that you're doing this week is required for week 8. So it's important that you get this into me so that I can get feedback to you early next week so that you can get started on the week 8 assignment using the same file. Okay, so that is our topic for the week, our discussion for the week, and our assignment for the week. Please make sure you pay particular attention to the instructions in the assignment. Make sure you have all the activities, resources, and everything assigned properly in Microsoft Project. There are, let me jump over here. We do have Microsoft Project resources that you'll want to make sure you look at. There's a lot of great tutorials here, like how to create a WBS in Microsoft Project, how to code the WBS, and the difference in manually scheduling your tasks and auto scheduling. So please take a look at these, at least the first 4, 5, or 6, especially how to enter your predecessor information too. And that will help you get started on this assignment. As always, you can post your questions in the course Q&A, and we'll talk about the issues there. So, again, welcome to week 6, and let's get started.